Hello, good afternoon my friends, how are you? It's Monday Arvo. Here I've done the winter wash on the MOBELWAGON from Border. So I'll give you a look at that. So all I've done is, once I finished building it, I gave it a spray of German brown, light brown of course. And then I made some sausages with some blue tack and put those sausages on and sprayed some washable white paint on, and then I just sort of washed it up and scratched it up. So the next step will be, I'm going to stencil on some German crosses on the side. There's some decals, but I think I'll go with stencils. The interior's alright. I've just kept it pretty simple, so there's only two tones in that. So once I put the stenciling work on, I'll come in and we'll do some filters, and that'll really sort of bring some more variation into it. And also I plan to do a bit of sort of dry brushing up here a bit. There's some other things I want to do, but this is just all I've done is put on some German brown and some winter wash. That's all I did. And that's a pretty good effect for two paints, really, isn't it? I'll show you where is it? Here it is. So this is the one I used, the German brown. It's pretty good colour, this one. I like it. See, there's German brown, and that's Gelb. What else we got? Elsie, how are you? That's field grey, and then we've got German sand yellow. They're very similar. I just reckon the German light brown is a bit better for some reason. I should have probably used this one, maybe the sand yellow one. Not sure. I just think it's a bit too yellow. I really like the brown. Also, I got the cannon built, or nearly built. So it's really nice. It's very detailed, and it works sort of. There's I've got to glue it in place, because you got to glue this sight in place. I've just got it loose at the moment, so you can move it about, but it comes apart quite easily, so we'll need to find the position for it and glue it in place. Oh, I'll show you the ammo as well, but yeah, it's really good. Went together really well. It was a very, very good build. Unlike the chassis that we had lots of problems with, the MOBELWAGON part, this had not one problem at all. Everything fit together perfectly. This is a bit of a challenge, this basket thing, because I've got such fat fingers. It was so difficult. And these this mesh, I'm not sure how you're supposed to cut it out. I'm just cutting it out. It sort of breaks apart a bit. Really easy to break, it's really thin, so I've made a few mistakes with the first ones, but I've learnt my lesson, so the next ones won't be like bad. But what I was thinking, at least there's something on, you know what I mean? Because it adds to the effect too that they're damaged. Yeah, I put heaps of glue on because that side didn't connect. Yeah, I was having a lot of trouble with it. But I can, like, from here, as long as there's something on, I was thinking it'll look pretty cool like that. And if I can get these other ones on better, which I will, it'll look pretty cool. It'll look damaged and stuff. If you get it perfect, it won't look authentic. That's my excuse anyway. Check this out too. This is the figure. Have you ever seen this before? You see, that's the little hand there. See, you got the little hands, but there's no thumbs. They've molded the thumbs separately. I don't know if that's absolutely necessary, because he is holding the binoculars. but I've never seen that before. That's a trip. It was like, where's his thumbs? And then I just looked to the side, there was these 2 thumbs. I'm like, no, they didn't, did they? But, you know, I'm a bit up in the air with border figures. It's like they're designed for resin, and they try and do them in plastic, and it just doesn't seem to work. I don't know. The face looks very ordinary. It doesn't look bad, it just looks ordinary. But it'll do the job. We'll have a look. We'll put him together. We'll have a look at what it comes up like. Like, it's not bad, but it's not fantastic either. I suppose I'm used to resin figures now. See, it's pretty decent, like. But the head is really pretty average. Pretty average. Alright, well, I'll stencil on some, I'll show you the cannon and the ammo. So we got this is the cannon. I've painted this in gunmetal. And that's all ready to go. And then you've got the ammo, which is pretty nice. It's pretty detailed. So I've done that in brass and just a bit of gunmetal. I don't know what colour this ammo is meant to be. I've seen 37mm ammunition, and it always seems pretty dark. Yeah, and it fits onto the cannon well. So the ammo fits into because there's a little ammo holder right here. That's the ammo holder. Get up there, yeah. And this is the feeder. So, oops. Hard to do it while you're looking at a camera. It's weird. So you can actually have it so there's a clip. Got it. So there's a clip in there, which is cool. I might do that. Like, just have it so it's ready to go, ready to pump out some rounds. So yeah, all I've got to do is finish this basket thingy, and then we can paint it. And it'll be cool. Alright, I'll get to it, and I will speak to you again soon, my friends. And always, if you have time today, make sure you make a model.